Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to do something that I've been trying to do for a while. I've been trying to find a good painter ever since I bought the body kit, but everybody's either super expensive or they've been booked for like 6 months straight. So I found this guy, he's a friend of a friend. What we need to do today is take it off. We're gonna drop it off to him, and then week past, we're gonna go pick it up and the car is gonna look beautiful. I haven't seen this car in so long without the body kit, so it's gonna look really weird. But I'm really excited to get this thing painted because it's just been a long time coming and it's just, you know, it needs to match. I ended up going with red and not black. I did a poll like a year ago saying which one should I do. It was 50% red, 50% black. But ever since I saw my rear diffuser painted, I've wanted to get red. I just can't imagine this thing in black. It just looked weird, so I'm so excited for the whole thing to be painted red. And if you didn't know, Karina got her S2K, and she's gonna be making videos on that soon, so stay tuned for that. We got the full body kit off. We ran into a strip bolt, and I don't think it's gonna be that much of a worry because it's just holding up a body kit, so I can cross thread it. And we also ran into the driver's side rear wheel was so tight, I had to pull out the like 6-footer breaker bar and to get that thing off. So everything's done. We got the full body kit off. We're gonna put it in the car and then we're gonna head over there to get it painted. My car looks really bad without a body kit. It looks like a big old bulb. Damn, that thing is ugly. In this state, I'd rather have the S2K. But when the body kit's finished, this thing is gonna be a masterpiece.
Now we are loading them up. Just has to put the seats down. I'm not trying to brag here, but she does look very pretty. Once I do something to it, it's over for you.
So I'm finished loading up the body kit. The last thing that we need is a paint sample. So I've got one of this little small part of my car that's painted that I took off. We're gonna get that so we can paint match the paint. I think I put them in here. So here it is. This used to be the thing that went right here if I did not have the hard top. I just have it laying around, so I might as well use it.
So I told Chase to put 10 bucks in this because I'm giving him some money, but he's really bad at stopping it right on the dot, even though he thinks he's good, so let's see. $9.95, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oh, he got it!
Today is the day he's going to come and drop it off. I didn't actually expect him to drop it off. He's gonna drop off the front splitter and the side skirts today, and then the rear bumper tomorrow. It's been about 3 weeks, and that's why my hair was cut shorter, and the garage looks way more spacious. I cleaned out a bunch of this stuff so we can maybe fit Karina's S2000. And David is also gonna be moving in soon, so maybe we can fit his bike in here too. I'm super excited to see what they look like. I've seen them in pictures and they look really good, but I haven't actually seen them in person. I'm hoping the paint matches, because that's one of the biggest problems with painting a body kit for like a 15-year-old car, is that the paint might not match. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this guy. I've heard a lot of great reviews about Guccio's Body Shop, so I'm hoping that they can come through with this body kit today. So we'll see you guys once he drops it off. So he came through and helped me install the front lip, and I'm about to do the side skirts, maybe today or tomorrow, depending if I can get some help. But damn, that looks awesome. My car is turning out to be the way I really wanted it from when I got the car. Since this is a knockoff crappy kit, there is some gaps, but you know what, who cares? The rear is gonna look super good because it's authentic SARD, but this is gonna have to do for the front. Damn, that thing looks good. So this is the next day, and I'm finally gonna be putting them on. I have a car meet at like 8 that I wanna go to. I wanna get this done before. Karina's helping me out today, my beautiful girlfriend, and we're gonna get this done. Karina, I saw that. Don't hit it on the fan again. So we got the double-sided tape on the car. I sprayed it down with that brake cleaner / like degreaser stuff, and it should stick on very well now. So we got it done. What I did was I put double-sided tape some right there and there. Does not seem to be holding, but I gave it some extra protection so don't fall off on the road, and I put a screw right here. These are just wood screws actually. I don't know like if there's a special body kit screw, so I just got a wood screw, self-tapper, and then I did the same thing over here. So there's one on each side, and then it's just a bunch of double-sided tape. If you guys do play video games and you want to join my Discord, I will leave the link down in the description. Currently I have 3 people in it, including me, so it's pretty lame without all of you guys. So if you want to join and play some video games with me, just copy the Discord link and put it in Discord, and we can play Borderlands 3. It's coming out soon. I really want to play that. We're still waiting on his text for the rear, but the side skirt is looking gorgeous. So since this side is done, we're gonna start on the other side. This side is so awesome, except these little black things. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. These things right here. I'm gonna have to ask him about it, see what it is, see if he can fix it or whatever. But yeah, other than that, they look so good. So we're still waiting for him to come. And I don't know if I should put this one on or not, because I do want to talk to him about the black spots, but at the same time, I don't want to go there with one side skirt, so I'm not sure yet, but damn does it look good from this angle. I put this wheel on because I didn't need to put any more screws. I left this one off so that I can put the rear lip on, but it's looking really good from right here. I am loving it. Hopefully when we put it in the sun, the paint will still match. So we just put the other one on, and even though I said I didn't want to put it on, it's getting sort of late and the sun's going down. So I had to make a quickie and I decided to put it on. This one also looks pretty good from afar, but of course when you get up close you see the black spots. I really want to see what it looks like in the sun, because in shade it really doesn't matter what it looks like, because in the sun is when all the blemishes come out. So we finally got the rear lip. I'm not going to inspect it right now because I really want to get to the car meet. So what we're going to do is put it on right now and see how it looks. Sneak peek. In the dark it looks good, so that's a good sign. So it's been 2 weeks since I last saw you guys. I had him redo it real quick because there was some imperfections that I needed it to be done. I wanted it to be done right, and I don't want anything wrong with it. I really want it to be perfect. So when he brought it, I don't know if he was rushing, but there was some paint imperfections here. It looked like the paint, while it was still wet, hit something, so he fixed that. The corner was still cracked. Sort of fixed that, and you know, overall it's looking a lot better. We can finally install this and finish the Baller 2.
Mesdames et messieurs, vous écoutez une production Ricky-Lux.
So it's pretty much on, and the only problem is for some reason it cracked right here when I put the lip on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it with some filler paint.
All right, you're taking art class, babe. You should.
History of art. Do like a couple layers.
Ew! Don't do that. That was uncalled for.
So this is what the full car looks like with the painted body kit. I think it turned out awesome. The new wing is coming in soon, so stay tuned for that, and if you want to see that, subscribe. But damn, does that thing look good. I think I'm gonna do a full cinematic video on the car soon, so give me some suggestions below. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been such a long time since I posted, but it took a long while to paint this body kit. Thank you guys for watching the full video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Oh, that's too low. You can tell I'm not a professional like Chase. Maybe I could just, no, okay. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come up on here and ask for y'all's opinion on something. If you don't know already, I got an S2000 recently, and I'm pretty sure Chase mentioned that earlier in the video, but I don't know. So anyway, as you guys can see, there's a few like ugly marks on my paint, and so I figured the first big thing I wanted to do was go ahead and wrap it. So this is where I need y'all's opinion, and I have a few options here. So the first is this, and it's kind of like, you know, it's more out there, obviously. It's a lot more vibrant than the other option that I have, and it's not like this, like I wouldn't get this exact color probably, but it's just like an option. And then the other one that I have is something like this, which is more, let's see, it's just more flat. It's just regular pink, and also probably not that exact color, just something like it. So I just want to know what you guys think would look best.